So in this topic we are going to discuss the chemical unit processes in wastewater treatment, which are chemical precipitation, gas transfer, adsorption, disinfection and dechlorination. Let's take a look at each of the process one by one. So the first chemical unit process is chemical precipitation. Now what happens in chemical precipitation? See, it changes, addition of a chemical changes the form of material which is dissolved in the wastewater that can be later removed in form of precipitate. What happens is ionic constituents of the dissolved material are converted into precipitates by adding a counter ion chemical that creates settleable solids. Okay, phosphorus is the example that is removed by addition of calcium, iron and aluminum salts. Alright, then the second chemical unit process is gas transfer, in which both the things take place, addition of a gas and removal of a gas. Okay, now in wastewater treatment we can add oxygen for improving the performance of biological units. Then stripping or removal of toxic organic can be done, which is removal of a gas. Okay, then we can change the percentage CO2 inside wastewater for the better pH control. Then we can remove that. This is gas removal process of ammonia, which is there in gas transfer as a unit process. Then chlorination may be added in the wastewater for disinfection purposes in format of gas, which comes under addition of gas. Alright, then adsorption. Adsorption is a surface phenomenon in which molecules, that is adsorbate, adhere to a surface. For example, activated carbon, which is a common adsorbent. Also, heavy metal can also be removed by using the concept of adsorption. Alright, then the fourth unit process in chemical unit process is disinfection, which means killing or inactivating most of the microorganisms which are present in the wastewater. Okay, chlorine treatment is the most common disinfection process in wastewater. Okay, then dechlorination. Okay, dechlorination means what? Removal of chlorine. Free, combined or residual chlorine is removed from wastewater using sulfur dioxide, sulfide salts such as sodium sulfide is there, sodium bisulfide is there, or sodium metabisulfite is there. Okay, mostly the dechlorination process is carried out after chlorination to take care of the residual or extra chlorine which is present in the wastewater. Okay, so these were the chemical unit processes in wastewater treatment. Hope you loved the video. Do find links for the Hindi channel, Instagram page and Telegram page where we are conducting civil engineering quiz or civil engineering test series. Okay, for schedule, do check out Instagram page and do join the Telegram channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.